You're using AI all wrong. Stop using it as a search engine when you could be using it to build actual web apps. Well, today we're going to cover 3 vibe coding ideas you can start building right away. Plus, I'll show you how to make sure your app is a success. So, let's get into it. Top 3 vibe coding projects for 2026. Project number 1, a new micro-SaaS business. Okay, so the first idea you're going to start working on is a micro-SaaS. This is a software as a service that solves one specific problem for a very niche audience. That could be anything from a client proposal generator that can create estimates and invoices from their proposal to something as simple as a daily journaling prompt generator. Vibe coding a complex infrastructure like Facebook is not the goal here. Instead, you're going to create a lightweight tool that does one thing, but does it so well that someone is willing to pay you to use it. For a project like this, you'll need a couple of integrations for it to work smoothly. You'll need your vibe coding tool, a secure database to store user information, and a payment processing tool. You're going to start out by defining your product requirements. You can actually learn more about that later in the video, so check out this timestamp right here. And describing your new micro-SaaS idea to the tool. If you're using hosting or Horizons, as soon as you mention that you need a database or payment processing, the AI will ask if you want to add the integration and guide you through the necessary steps. For a project like this one, you'll be using Supabase for database storage and Stripe for payment processing. But Horizons offers various integrations that can help your app run smoothly, and you can find them in the integrations menu at the top right-hand corner of the page. Hey, Post-Production Karel is here to let you know that we'll actually be releasing our own integrated backend feature later this month. Make sure to stay tuned to our channel for all the details, but I just wanted to let you know that soon it'll be even easier to integrate database storage in your Horizons projects. Now, a micro-SaaS is a great project if you've already got some vibe coding experience and you want to build an MVP that will kickstart your side hustle. But keep in mind, using backend databases will mean a little bit more hands-on management than something like a standalone web app. Project number 2, Standalone Web App. A standalone web app is a lot simpler than a micro-SaaS, since it doesn't really require a database or any additional integration to run. You can just build it and leave it. Think of tools like a color palette generator, a tip calculator, or even a focus timer. Standalone web apps are perfect for testing small ideas quickly. They solve an immediate problem, they're usually free to use, and you can attract organic traffic via social media pretty easily. It's a great way to practice your vibe coding skills or even get feedback on a prototype that you want to take further. To create a standalone web app using hosting or Horizons, the process is pretty much the same as when you initially prompt your micro-SaaS. Gather everything you need for your initial prompt and just start chatting with the AI. After your first prompt, the AI will ask a few more clarifying questions before generating a preview of your new web app. From there, you can either keep prompting the AI or edit the content directly by toggling the option at the top of your screen. Now, if you want to see hosting or Horizons in action, make sure to check out this video right here to watch our other host, Elizabeth, build an Airbnb clone in less than 1 hour. Standalone web app can be the first step towards something bigger, and this option is perfect if you're just starting out with vibe coding or you haven't quite figured out your micro-SaaS idea. Project number 3, a remixable template. The last project you can work on is a little more unconventional. Once you've created a web app you like, you can easily turn it into a remixable template. These are pre-built web apps or websites that other users can clone and customize for their own needs. Think of it as creating a digital blueprint. Maybe you built an interactive portfolio website for photographers or a booking system for wellness coaches. Now you can turn your project into a template for others to customize for themselves. This idea is already out there. Think of how many Etsy shops are selling printable calendar templates or Notion dashboards. A remixable template is a more interactive version of the same thing. You could create a portfolio website for photographers or a customizable invoice generator. These solve a huge pain point for small business owners who don't have the time to create a website or web app on their own. And need an all-in-one solution for both. If you want to allow remixing on your Horizons website, all you have to do is go to the menu in the top left corner and click Let People Copy My Website. From then on, whenever someone visits your website, they will see a small banner with a Copy and Edit button. That leads them directly to purchase their own Horizons plan. As a bonus, you'll earn a 20% commission every time someone signs up using your template. Before you start, vibe coding is a great way to get started with an idea. But if you're not really specific, the AI will go in a completely different direction than you thought it would. So before you dive in, you're going to ask yourself 3 questions and create what's called a PRP, questions to ask. The 3 questions you're going to ask are, first, who is this for? Second, what problem does this solve? And third, what makes my solution unique? Don't be afraid to do a little research to find the answers. Check online forums like Reddit and Discord and find what people are complaining about. Build for the actual complaints, not what you think the complaints will be. And find examples of apps that are similar, or even have the same vibe you want for your own web app. Once you've got all this together, you're going to create what's called a PRP. A PRP can make a huge difference to any vibe coding project and will really help you bring your idea to life and even plan out how you're going to monetize it. A PRP, or Product Requirements Prompt, outlines exactly what a product should do, who's it's for, and how it should work. It's based on a product requirements document, which is what project managers use to keep developers on track. But you're going to use it as the initial prompt for your new app. And actually, it's super easy to create with the help of AI. So, once you have an idea of what you want to create, head over to Claude or ChatGPT and start describing your vibe coding idea. Since you want to create a specific document, start your prompt with, write a detailed PRD for an app that I will be vibe coding using Hostinger Horizons. Fill in all of the details from your notes. Write about the user journey, how you imagine the app will look like, the features you want, the design style you want, and add links to apps with a similar vibe. Basically, do an entire brain dump of everything you want in your app and how you want it to look. The AI will generate a pretty long document, but it'll have everything you need to start your project. If it's not quite right, just go back in and make some edits. And once you're happy with your plan, all you have to do is copy the generated PRP and use it as your initial prompt in Hostinger Horizons. The AI will do some of the deep thinking for you and even ask some questions to clarify what you want before it generates a preview of your new web app. If it's not quite right, you can keep prompting Horizons, or you can edit the content directly. With a solid PRP in hand, you're ready to turn your vision into reality. With no coding experience required, and you have a plan to go back to whenever you want to start improving your new app. By the way, if you want to see how a project like this turns out, one of our writers actually vibe coded her own app using these exact steps. And you can check it out at the link in the description box below. And there we have it. It's never been easier to turn your crazy idea into a functioning website. So now that you have the tools, what are you going to build? Make sure to let us know in the comments down below, and don't forget to use the code HZN10 for 10% off your Hostinger Horizons plan. And if you're looking for more vibe coding ideas, make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out some of these videos right here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!